In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gmail desktop app. By the end, you'll have Gmail running in its own tidy window, just like a native program, so it's quicker to open, easier to manage, and less cluttered than a regular browser tab. First, open Gmail in your desktop web browser. This works best in modern Chromium-based browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge because they support installing websites as apps. Make sure your inbox is fully loaded so the browser recognizes the page correctly. If you use multiple profiles or accounts in your browser, pick the one where you want the app to live so the shortcut appears in the right place later. Now look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is the browser's main menu, not anything inside Gmail itself. It sits near the address bar and your profile icon, and it controls browser features such as downloads, printing, and more. Click that three-dot menu to open it. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. On some versions of the browser, this appears as a grouped area with an arrow, and hovering over it reveals more options. Don't click yet. Just rest your cursor there for a moment so the submenu opens. If you don't immediately see it, try slowly moving down the list to find the area that combines casting and saving features. Menu layouts can vary slightly by version. From that submenu, click Install Page as App. The browser will create a dedicated Gmail window that looks and feels like a standalone application. You'll notice it has its own icon, and it runs without the typical browser tabs and toolbars, which helps you focus on your email without distractions. This also makes it easy to keep Gmail separate from your general web browsing. After installation, the new Gmail app is usually added to your Start menu on Windows or your Applications list on Mac OS, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. If you use multiple desktops or workspaces, you can keep the Gmail app on its own, making multitasking smoother. Notifications and badges generally follow your browser's settings, and you can fine-tune behavior inside Gmail's own settings later if you want to customize alerts and sounds. If you don't see the Install Page as App option, double-check that you're on the main Gmail interface and your browser is up to date. Some organizations also manage browser features, so availability can depend on your environment. That's all there is to it. Enjoy a cleaner, faster way to access your inbox with the Gmail desktop app experience.